everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily post something on Parler. So let's start. So what you want to do is there are two ways how you can do it. First way is when you go to profile, and then in profile you just want to simply click here and new Parler. Hey there. And you just simply can add image or search like that and click submit. And voila, here you got it. So this is how we do it. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. And you can simply remove the post if you want to. So yeah, thank you very much. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.